Barangay Tandarura, Maninila and Masarawag, especially Maipon of Ginubatan Albay, were greatly affected. A recently attractive, luxurious houses built in this area were toppled down, turning the place into graveyard.
Life is not at all that, my friend. If you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks through life with you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show
The group decided to visit Maipon and pursue the dental and medical mission.
And He said,
Most of the residents take the opportunity.
Those who are heavily laden, come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. When you feel the world is tumbling hold on to.
Ano ma'am, antibiotic ma'am. Ano may hindi na nalipira.
You see hope, there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will.
I woke up today with this feeling that better things are coming my way. And if the sunshine has a meaning, it's telling me not to let things get in my way.
When the rainy days are dying kami sa medical mission sa nagtaong bulong sa Purpuno. May pong ginubatan albay.
Salamat po sa pagpo.
Taga Tandarora. Salamat kong dakula sa inyo po si Michael Dandig. Ganyan po ako po nagpapasalamat sa Filipino Association of Singapore sa pagtabang naman yan sa amin. Salamat po sa nagtabang
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Philippine Association of Singapore na punta dito sa may pong ginubatan albay. Salamat po.
Sa nagtabang digdi sa mga sa ABCD, digdi sa Ipon. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at sana pagpalain din po kayo ng may kaba.
Maraming pong salamat na lang po sa tabang nila. Ako po si Violet, ako sa gawa nila. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga nagtabang.
Ako po si Lodi Okdia, na taga Manila, ginubatan albay. Ano po, nagpapasalamat kami sa mga biyaya po ng mahal na Diyos.
Salamat sa Filipino Association of Singapore na nagkaigwa ng medical mission di sa mga lugar.
Ako si Bilia P. Oraye, Puro 4. Salamat sa Indogabos.
Sa Bantay Bata. Maraming salamat po.
Natutuwa po akong dumating dito sa medical mission dito sa Maipon. Salamat.